another BMW Project. The brakes and the whole suspension on the driver's side is complete. Everything is replaced, everything that was ordered. Let me show you how the brakes turned out. And these are E60 550i brakes. They are a little bit bigger than 535 brakes for station wagon. This is the look of my rear wheels right now. Just regular drilled rotors for 535. And I just completely removed my exhaust. We'll have to do a couple of cuts in this area. Not sure yet, I'm gonna figure it out later. And to complete installation of my VRSF downpipes, this is what I have to do. Yeah, there is no way back, guys. Also, I'm thinking to delete these secondary cats too. It's probably a good idea, but I'm not sure. I'm still thinking about that. Yeah, but I have to make cuts over here for sure. Yeah, because that's just not gonna work. And I know a lot of you guys wondering how 535 sounds without exhaust, with just VRSF downpipes. Let me do this for you. And now I mounted these pieces of exhaust to the downpipes themselves. Like this one fits okay, and the one next to the transmission, this is where I have to do some bending. Like you can see, it's not even allowing me to go into the shaft over here. And like I said, I can twist this downpipe, but it's gonna be laying on that front axle flange, so it's not good. I'd rather bend my pipe over here than you know, mess with my all-wheel drive system. Yeah, like you can see, it's completely not fitting in that shaft. It's not good. All right, guys, taking my 535 to Muffler shop. Looks like today it will be done, hopefully. Yeah, I didn't want to drive my car without exhaust. Yeah, I didn't want to annoy my neighbors. I think it's better to have a tow truck taking it to the shop. Okay, the exhaust is done. Let's start it. Oh. I probably didn't connect turbos.
Pop the hood, let's take a look and see what it is.
Just picked up my station wagon from the Muffler shop. As you can see, the guy was working on my car. I think it was a much smarter idea to bring the car to the Muffler shop in the first place, to have them install everything. It probably would be way faster. I'm not sure it would be cheaper, but way faster. And yeah, he did an awesome job on those valves. Right now, this is no cats, just VRSF downpipes, and both secondary catalytic converters are deleted, so you can hear, I'm not sure if you can hear, but there is a little bit of rumble when I drive this car. It's not bothering me, but I can hear the engine. I actually like it a lot. N54 without catalytic converters sounds awesome. It sounds very nice. After driving maybe like 10 minutes, the check engine light came on, and it's because I still have to reflash my car through MHD flasher or tuner app to make sure it's set for catalyst downpipes. So it's not that bad, so it's normal. So yeah, and I'm driving in sports mode right now. I didn't drive my car for a while, so I have a whole bunch of error messages right now. One of them is fuel reserve. I'm gonna stop at the gas station and fuel up right now. Yeah, right now I'm driving my car for like 5 miles, and it's good. I like it. I can hear the turbo spooling right now, so it sounds very nice. Yeah, I love it. So far it's good. I'm still gonna do some touch-ups under the car. I need to put a few things back. Yeah, if you could hear that downshifting sound, it does it. Yeah, now it sounds very nice. I love it. I'm very excited. And this is the next day after I took my car from the muffler shop, and I wanted to do a cold start for you guys that you can hear how it sounds. So let me go and start my car. And I taped my mic as close as I could to the muffler part, and I think you guys could hear sound of the exhaust better. What I will do, I will drive a little bit and do some revs, and also you can hear how it sounds while driving. So let's do this. I wanted to say that I still have check engine light on. I'm still waiting for the adapter to reflash my car because my Android tablet stopped working, and now I need a new adapter for my phone to connect to the OBD cable. So yeah, I'm not sure if this check engine light does any difference like on the sound performance, but just letting you know guys that I have that check engine on. And right now I want to do some revs for you guys. The sound you will hear is not coming from the camera I'm holding, but from the sound source taped to my bumper. So this is the sound. And this is it for this episode, guys. Let me know what you think about this upgrade. Is it worth to go and mess with your car's exhaust system, installing these downpipes and deleting catalytic converters? What you think about the sound? Let me know in comments below. As a final note about VRSF downpipes, I like them. I would give them 4.5 out of 5 stars because I would say that professional installation is required, not like they say that modification is required to fit those, unless you have like pipe benders and you are a good welder. So this is the only complaint I have about these downpipes, but other than that, everything fitted fine. And I had to pay, I think I paid like 150 and change for a welding job.